So now I just talk?
Yes.
Okay. So today we're making strawberry goodness. What is that? That's strawberry goodness right there. Okay, so we have a food processor and cookies. They're Oreos, yep. Okay, so the white Oreos, and we are just gonna crush them up. Looks like a crust. Yep, it's crust. Uh-huh. And we got liquid, so you gotta pour liquid on it. I think that's butter. Is that butter? That's butter. Yep, we got it. It's butter. And we're going to smash that stuff in the bottom of a pan. A lot of smashing. So if you guys got something to do smashing, it's good. Now we're going to beat up butter. Cream cheese. Cream cheese, yes. Because it's a cheesecake. See? I got this. And we got salt and cream cheese. Sugar and cream cheese. I'm horrible at this. I need a list of things. I'm just watching a video and it looks like goat milk. Goat milk with, what is that, cornmeal? No, that's the yeast. Yep, we're doing yeast with milk. Yep. Sounds about right. We're stirring it. You want to incorporate it so it can do that yeasting thing. If you over yeast it, that's how you get yeast infection. So just be careful not to over yeast it. Okay, water, warm water, and the not infected yeast. And we're gonna mix the heck out of this. And we're mixing. And we're mixing. Wow, look at that. So I take it as warm water, and then you mix it till it's creamy. We're gonna add our yeast foam concoction to the cream cheese and salt, sugar. Mix it up good. Now we got strawberries in a pan. Oh boy. Something's going down. And sugar. So it looks like we're gonna make some really sweet strawberries. Some sound effects for you. Once you get the sugar kind of melted, we're going to add lemon juice. Lemon juice. Yep. This is awesome because I'm guessing this whole recipe. Looks like you're going to do like a compote or something. Food processor. For those of you who don't have a food processor, use the potato mashers, and you can mash it up in a with a potato masher in the pot while it's cooking. Won't be as creamy, but it's better than nothing. You could squeeze it through a cheesecloth, maybe straighten out the gunk. What? That's like strawberry jelly on steroids. Okay, now we're gonna let it cool, and we're gonna add that steroid juice to the cream cheese. Looks like yogurt right now. I was about to say it can't get that creamy. These are lies. Was that heavy whipping cream? We're gonna beat it. Beat it. So beat it a lot. Still beating. Still beating. You're gonna take that beaten cream and you're gonna fold it in the cream cheese strawberry steroid cream. Yeah. I could eat it just like that. A spoon. Okay, so once it's all mixed in good together, we're going to fold some more. Okay, we're still folding. This is a long process. You want to be careful when you're folding. Take your time, is what this is saying. Don't rush. Alright, now we're back to the pie pan and we're going to put our steroid strawberry cream cheese stuff in here. And spread it out. I know, right? Listening to this, you're a genius. Now we're gonna wrap it with plastic wrap. Now water in a bowl. Where's that vinegar? Nope, water and yeast. Getting used to the color of this yeast, so we're good. No, that was not yeast. What was that, sugar? That was sugar, okay. So sugar and water and more water, but it looks steam. Okay, hot water. Oh, that was gelatin. That was the powdered gelatin. We're going to be making the jello topping now. Gotcha. And you want to make sure you stir this one up good and melt it down so the gelatin is evenly melted. Why? Because that's how everybody else does it. Okay. Don't want any mess on the counter. Alright, so to our gelatin, we have some more steroid cream. Strawberry steroid juice, that's what I'm going to call that. So take your strawberry steroid juice, put it into the gelatin. And you have strawberry jello. Hey, Captain Obvious. Mix it well. Another 2-minute segment of mixing, which lets you get every long session of mixing means that you're going to be mixing a lot. So luckily we sped it up to just 2 minutes. In real time, this is like 40 minutes of actually doing this, so you guys are lucky. Now we go back to the cheesecake that was setting in the refrigerator, and it looks all... What is that? Who cares? Strawberry steroid jello going on top of the steroid cheesecake. We use a lot of steroids in feed, so it's good for you. It's organic. And now, the spreading process. Now what? Okay, more water. There's a lot of water in this recipe, so for you guys in desert areas that have limited water, I recommend just going to the store and buying one, because you use a lot of water in this, and a lot of... What is that? Gelatin again. Are we gelatin again? This is gelatin again. I'm going with gelatin. Yeah, I'm pretty confident it's gelatin. More water. See, you guys with low water is in a bad... No, don't make this recipe. Stick to brownies or cookies. You use like maybe a third cup of water. So now we're going to bring it up to a boil. fast forward boiling. We're going to pour that boiled water concoction in with... Oh, gelatin! More gelatin. There's a lot of gelatin and water in this recipe. It's good for you. Think about it. Cut one slice of cake and boom, you have enough water for the rest of the day. 8 cups, 1 scoop. And now we strawberry line. And then Jello. Oh, so wait, that layer above the cheesecake wasn't even Jello. It was like what is that? An actual jelly. Wow, that was a quick fast forward. Blam, and we're done. Didn't even get to see the piping of the cream cheese. What? Alright, let's go. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Good night.